You're looking very well this evening.
Feeling very well, thank you. Oh, very nice. All looks very lovely. Is everyone here?
Everyone's here just waiting for you, Miss Sophie.
Mr. Wallace?
I put him right here next to you.
Mr. Van Boom.
Right here across the table from you, ma'am.
And Mr. Sanders.
Right here on the right as requested.
Very nice, very nice. You may now serve the fries.
Right, Miss Sophie, fries it is. Would you like ketchup with your fries?
Oh, I love ketchup.
Of course, ketchup with fries. Here you are, Miss Sophie. Fries as you requested.
Yes. Thank you.
And tell me when to stop.
That's wonderful.
Alright, Miss Sophie.
James, I think I'll have beer with the fries.
Beer with the fries, Miss
Yes.
Sophie. And same procedure as last year, Miss Sophie.
Same procedure as every year, James.
Beer for you, Miss Sophie.
Thank you, James.
Particularly fond of this brew.
Mr. Wallace?
Oh, good evening, Miss Sophie. Just a lovely evening.
Mr. Van Boom?
Oh, lovely evening, Miss Sophie.
Mr. Sanders?
Oh, yes, good lovely evening, Miss Sophie. Did you like your fries?
Oh, it was marvelous. Thank you very much, James. Now, James,
Yes.
I think I would like a salad now.
You would like to
Bring
salad
that
now?
up.
Of course, Miss Sophie. Would you like ranch with your salad?
Oh, please, yes.
Salad here for you, my lady.
Thank you very much, James.
Just tell me when to stop.
Well, that was marvelous, sir.
All right.
Thank you so much. James,
Yes, Miss Sophie.
I think I'll be having rum with the salad today.
Wrong with the salad. Of course, Miss Sophie. Same procedures. Same procedures last year, Miss Sophie.
Yes, same procedures every year, James.
Wrong with the salad, my lady. We have some Jack for you here.
Now, is this dry rum?
The driest in the land.
Mr. Wallace.
Oh, lovely evening, my lady. It's just great having you here.
Mr. Van Boom?
Oh, just great having you here.
Mr. Sanders?
Oh, yeah, 10-4, looking great there this evening, Miss Sawyers. Looking lovely.
James, now I would like to have actually the burger now.
The burgers.
Yes, yes.
And ketchup with the burgers, Miss Sophie.
Oh, of course. Yes, James. Thank you.
Yeah, Miss Sophie. Fresh hamburgers, freshly made. Just tell me when to stop.
Wonderful, James.
All
That's
right,
just
Miss
perfect.
Sophie.
Thank you. Now, James, I think I'll have moonshine with my burgers.
Moonshine with the burgers?
Yes, yes.
Oh.
So.
And same procedures last year, Miss Sophie.
Same procedure as every year, James.
Moonshine with the burgers, Miss Sophie. Think you'll be particularly fond of this moonshine still this morning?
Wonderful. Very nice.
Just for you, Miss Sophie. Top of the morning, Miss Sophie!
Mr. Wallace. Mr. Von Boom.
Oh, excuse me, yeah.
Mr. Sanders.
Yeah! 10-4, Miss Sophie.
Well, this was all very wonderful. So wonderful, James. I think I'll retire for the night now.
So, we go to bed, Miss Sophie.
Yes, yes. I think
All
I
right,
will.
let me get you a chair for you.
Thank you so much.
Same procedures last year, Miss Sophie.
Yes, same procedures for every year, James.